Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Monzo Overdraft. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so using a Monzo Overdraft is a very straightforward process designed for short-term borrowing. So what we need to do is open up our Monzo app and log into your account. And then once you've logged in, you need to navigate to the Manage tab, and if you're eligible, you'll see an option to apply for an overdraft. Then from there, you can set your credit limit. As you can see here, it might be different to every user. So I've got a £2,000 credit limit, but you can change how much you want with this slider. So you choose the slider to see how much you want on your overdraft. Then from here, we want to go ahead and confirm that limit. And then you want to, after this, you want to review the terms. So Monzo offers variable interest rates of 19%, 29%, or 39% based on your credit worthiness. Then once approved, your overdraft becomes active immediately.